Hi guys, today we are going to see the interior design of Bigg Boss House 14. As you know, this channel is for architects and interior designers. If you are related to these fields, then you should subscribe my channel. Let's start. This year you will see a few changes in the house due to the pandemic, such as this season we will see the house divided into three zones: red, orange and green. Green symbolizes the safest zone, while the red is danger zone. The house is well planned by the architect Oman Kumar with his wife, whose ideas are so out of the box that we quickly fall in love with the interiors. Let us look at the interiors one by one now. So now here you can see the living room area. Here you can see the colorful cushions with silver color sofa. You can see the hexagon geometric table, specially designed for the circular sofa. They haven't kept the center table circular, they have kept it geometric, specially for the circular sofa to go along with it. Recessed polygon for display and storage. That is a kitchen area which we are going to learn ahead. Now we'll look at the shopping mall. So behind the circular sofa we have a place for shopping. Yay! They can actually go and shop for themselves. As you know, because of the lockdown we are not able to do enough of the shopping, so they have provided a shopping area inside. It has a glass entrance door. Here you can also see a sculpture whose face is divided into horizontal waves on its left and vertical waves on its right. As you might have heard, the Bigg Boss house is designed keeping the jungle theme in mind, so this sculpture gives a tribal look. You can also see a small mirror here in the center of the face, matching to the display on the circular wall. You can see that the wall is circular. Matching to this, they have kept the circular ceiling with two semicircular hanging lights, which looks awesome. They also have a maroon color carpet which has Bigg Boss imprinted on it. You can also see four single-seater sofas for sitting inside. These sofas look very traditional but also sleek. There are two circular punchers inside on both the opposite walls, which is specially given to act like a window to see the display. Here you can see on the left there is a room. I guess it's a confession room. It has a small window from where we can see inside. It is designed with vibrant red color stripes to give emphasis to that area. The ceiling looks stunning with triangular projections in purple color. Here we see something similar in white color and here in light tones of purple color. Here you can see fancy plastic black color chairs which can be served as a very small sitting area, as this area is connected to the kitchen counter. It also has a small sleek round center table for AC. Now let us look at the restaurant. As you know, because of the lockdown, we are not allowed to visit the restaurants. So Bigg Boss house has a restaurant inside it. Here you can see the shopping mall, then you can see the convention room. This is my vague guess. Then this is the counter where the food will be served. This is the restaurant settings. So let's see inside. Here you can look at the curve counter, which is very interesting, and it is specially kept black in color to complement the red stripes behind on the room door you can see, and also the red chairs. These red chairs are actually bar stools. You can also see a curved silver color sofa on the right hand side of the counter facing towards the restaurant. There is a mushroom chandelier on the bar counter and silver pendant lights on the sofa sitting. You can see recessed polygons for display and storage above. If you notice, these display frames also has backlit. Under this display, there is a mirror which is showing the rear side of this room. And this might be the refrigerator. On the rear wall, we have spa, which has red stone cladding. This we are going to see ahead separately. In the restaurant, you can also see sleek glass tables with rectangular framings and transparent chairs with wooden legs. The carpet is designed with abstract Bigg Boss logo using different colors. Now let us see the theatre. As you can see, 6 people can enjoy the luxurious theatre here. It is designed with a sci-fi concept using octagonal shape. It looks like a space station. It has 6 single-seat fabric cinema seating sofas. As you can see, the side walls are actually straight, but 2 octagonal gateways give it a feeling of a space station. These gateways are also having backlight, as you can see. The internal display also gives an impression of sitting in a spacecraft. You can see other planets with moons and stars. Focus lights are installed behind the octagonal gateways. The ceiling is also kept octagon and the flooring is having black and white stripes to give the feeling of a longer room. Look how the speakers are projected inwards and wrapped with backlit framing. This might be the door to enter the luxurious theatre. You can see the TV screen here in the rear view mirror. Now let us look at the spa. Spa is designed to interpret freshness of nature. Here you can see the triangular geometric projections just like the mall, but here on the wall. Here on the right side you can see the reeds to give an ambience of a peaceful environment. Green wall again to interpret freshness and natural environment. We also have decorative chandelier with white artificial creepers hanging on it. We can see two mirrors here, red stone cladding on the right side wall, softbox couch for resting, a storage side table. Again, we see a colorful baby stripes pattern in the carpet. At the entrance, you can see the mirror installations. Now let us look at the bedroom. We can see a gist of bedroom area here. The walls are designed black and white using grey color tones. Grey and white beds, Bigg Boss logo at the headboard side wall. The ceiling is mansard type. You can see it is flat from the center and slopey towards the corners. To break the grey tone, all the furniture and furnishings are kept colorful. You can see colorful stained glass chandeliers having triangular glass pieces. You can see orange bed sheets with pink blankets. You can also see emoticons. The headboards are also kept grey in color. Therefore, a rainbow color sofa is kept at the center with same colorful cushions. The carpet here also has triangular patterns but not very loud color. You can see the subtle colors here. Bigg Boss is having its grand premiere on Saturday, 3rd October from 9 pm onwards. I hope you all are going to watch it. If you like my explanation, I hope you like my video and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye guys.